Chanel North-South Shopping Bag. What reminds me of the Chanel North-South Shopping Bag? Think Balenciaga? That's right. It looks quite similar to the Balenciaga Shopping North-South Tote Bag. Here's a picture. Both are gorgeous in my opinion, but if you love Chanel a bit more, you might consider getting this one. However, this piece is vintage and pre-owned, and it's not a cheaper either. You can get the Balenciaga Shopping Tote for half of the price. But then again, you are paying for Chanel. Everything at Chanel is overpriced. Structurally, each bag is designed differently. The Balenciaga bag is much more minimalistic, as Chanel bag shows folded detail on the sides and bottom. The front of both bags features the house logo.